arms on the side and say ha. Again. Say ha. I can't hear anyone. Say ha. Oh, inhale from your nose and say ha. Ha. One more time. Ha. And now when I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, on 3 you're going to all jump and say yes. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Come on, jump. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Arms up. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay, now close your eyes. Close your eyes. And relax your arms. And close your eyes. See what is happening in your body.
I'm getting hungry.
No food for you. Okay, eyes closed. Just observe what is happening. Can you feel the vibrations in your hands? Yes. Can you feel the vibration in your hands?
Yes.
It's like electricity. Can you feel it? In your hands, what is this? What do you think? What is this? This is the energy. You have the energy.
Now what do we do?
Okay. You just learn how to breathe. Okay?
I have a lot of energy. Ow,
you have big tummy.
Ah.
Okay. Let's see who can breathe properly. Okay, you all have to lie down. I want you to lie down on the floor. No, on your back. Okay, first of all, I want every girl to clap for Adam. Because Adam is the only boy who's cooking here. So you have to tell your dads, boys can also cook. Yeah? Okay, now lie down. Okay, now lie down on your back. Lie down, all of you. We will check who's breathing the right way, okay? Just lie down straight. And yeah, straight. Isa, can you go up and lie down? Okay, lie down, all of you. Just lie down. It's okay. Lie down. Okay, I'm going to put cushion on your tummy and let's see who's going to move this cushion with your breath. Stretch your legs. Okay, now breathe. See, you can't move. Okay, you have to move your cushion with your tummy. I want to see who can move it. Breathe. Let's see who can move this. Zara, lie down. Put your head down. Okay, breathe. See if you can move it with your breath. Put your head down. Sir, niche. Put it on your tummy. I want to see this cushion moving. Move it with your breath. Very good. Look, she's doing it. What's your name? Ramin is the best one. Look, I can see her cushion moving. Yes, Iman?
मेरा नाम है हानिया। मैं इंटेलेक्ट स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ और मैं 7 में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरी क्लास 7 है। आज मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखी थी नाइद आपा से। हमने कुकिंग सीखी थी, आर्ट्स एंड क्राफ्ट सीखा था और स्टिचिंग भी सीखी थी, जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था। और आज मैंने चोटियाँ इसलिए बनाई हैं क्योंकि आज हमने सारी क्लासेस कंप्लीट करी हैं और हमें नाइद आपा के घर पे बुलाया गया है एक पार्टी के लिए।
मेरा नाम फ़रा है और मेरी बेटी आयज़ा फ़ातिमा यहाँ पे नाहिद अंसारी से क्लासेस ले रही हैं। नाहिद आपा बहुत अच्छी क्लासेस दे रही हैं माशाल्लाह। इन्होंने बच्चों को बेकिंग और कुकिंग वगैरह के साथ साथ इस्लामिक एजुकेशन भी थोड़ी दी है। साथ में इनको कैंडल मेकिंग और दूसरी चीज़ें बनाना और मेडिटेशन, और बहुत अच्छी क्लास हुई है इन लोगों की। और मैं प्रेफर करूँगी कि और जो मदर्स हैं वो भी अपनी छोटी बच्चियों को भी, इवन दो वो 14, 15, 17, 18 एज की भी जो हैं वो यहाँ पे बेचें। बच्चे डिसिप्लिन भी सीखते हैं, घर गृहस्थी भी सीखते हैं और बहुत अच्छा मेरा फीडबैक है इनके लिए कि बहुत अच्छा सिखा रही हैं ये। और ये सिर्फ ये नहीं कि बच्चों को सिर्फ पकाना सिखा रही हैं, ये और दूसरी एक्टिविटीज़ भी सिखा रही हैं। और बच्चों को इतना होमी एनवायरनमेंट मिल रहा है, बच्चे बहुत इन्जॉय करें और वो किसी किस्म का बर्डन नहीं अपने ऊपर ले रहे। फ़न में, गेम्स में, खेलने में, इन सब चीज़ों में वो ये सब कुछ सीख रहे हैं और उसको घर पे भी मैंने देखा है कि मेरी बेटी ने अप्लाई किया है। उसने हमें घर में प्रेजेंटेशन दी है ब्रेकफास्ट की, वो बहुत अच्छी थी। मतलब मुझे सपोज भी नहीं मैं कर रही थी कि वो इतना अच्छा हमें ब्रेकफास्ट सर्व करेगी। तो एक दिन उसने हमारी टेबल बहुत अच्छी अरेंज की। तो आई एम वेरी मच सेटिस्फाइड विद द क्लासेस। और आप लोग भी, मैं चाहूँगी कि अपने बच्चों को यहाँ पे भेजें और वो यहाँ पे अच्छा सा लर्न करेंगे। थैंक यू।
And left hand on your chest, on your stomach, and let's see. You can put your back down. आप घर वालों पे भरोसा ना करते हुए जो सारा जेवर साथ ले ना साइड में रख दें. Okay. So let's see if when you breathe in, see where your stomach is going. Right? Observe. Inhale. Exhale. Up next, on next breath, we're going to observe whether it's going in or out.
Hi, my name's Adam and I study at Origin School. Now, what I've learned here is many things that I like. We learned how to make eggs, we learned how to make this cake, we learned how to make, sandwiches with potatoes in it. I don't know what you call it. And pakoras, I think that's what you call it. And many other things, which is cool. I made pretty much, like, everyone's my friend here. And I'm glad to have this many friends. And this guy's been eating everything. This greedy guy. Let's put him out of the video. Hi. He's gone now. Anyway, so yeah, I've learned pretty much cool things here. All of them were tasty. Thanks to Miss Nahid, I learned how to make omelettes. Only that, I guess. All of the others are hard. But I'm surely gonna remember all the things she made me do. And we also made candles once, which was pretty cool. Put them in water with a floating candle. And especially, she gave me a candle which I gave to my mother. So, yeah, that's what I technically did in my lifetime here. Since like 3 to 2 months. It's been a pleasure being here. I like it here. Anyway, so, yeah, that's what I've learned here. And it was pretty fun. So, yeah.
ओए सांस ही रोक ली. हमारे पास ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर है, किसी की सांस रोकनी नहीं है. ओके, इनहेल अगेन इनहेल एंड ऑब्जर्व. यू जस्ट लाई डाउन. आज आपकी मम्मीज की क्लास हो रही है. ओके, इनहेल. अच्छा, जिनके पेट अंदर के हाथ खड़ा करें. ऑल ऑफ यू तालियां बजाओ सबके लिए. जिनके पेट अंदर के हाथ खड़े, सबने गलत ब्रीदिंग की है. सबने गलत ब्रीदिंग की. सी, मम्मी, ऑल मम्मीज फेल्ड. बच्चas, you all did good. Yay! Babies won. You all won. Mummies are losers. Okay. Now I have to give you logic why you breathing and you pulling your stomach in. First, you need to learn the logic behind it. जब हम लोग, अब जिसका फोन बजा ना, लेटेस्ट हुआ तो मेरा, पुराना हुआ तो बाहर. अच्छा, जो when we inhale, so basically what we are doing, we are putting the air in. Adams, if you will talk, I will take you out of the class. Whoever will talk now. Okay. So when you inhale, you're putting the air in. When you inflate the balloon, where does it go? Does it inflate or deflates? When you put the air inside the balloon? Inflates. So when we were inhaling, what were we doing? We were putting the air in. So your lungs were expanding and you can't feel the expansion on your sides because you have ribs here. So your diaphragm is pressing downwards. So your stomach should come out. Why did it go in? हाँ, वो तो वैसे भी निकलेगा. और the thing is, क्यों निकलता है पेट? Because when we don't use these muscles, ये lose होके बाहर आ जाता है पेट. See, when you're moving your arms and you're moving your legs, they become strong, right? So if you don't use these muscles, they become loose. So even if you don't breathe properly, it will come out. सही है? So now we're going to learn how to breathe properly. What we're going to do? Consciously see if your lower hand is moving only, not the chest one. See? When you inhale, only push your stomach out with your breath. You have to keep your lips closed only from your nose. Inhale, push it out and exhale. This is the last warning, Adams. You're going to be out of this class if I hear you again. Inhale, palm bahar. You have to keep your feet flat on the ground. ओके, इनहेल, एक्सेल. अभी भी चेस्ट उठ रहे हैं सबके, नोटिस करें आप. ओके, नाउ क्लोज योर आइज, पुट बोथ हैंड्स फ्लैट ऑन योर thighs, and now inhale and push your stomach out consciously. Push it out. सिर्फ पेट को आप बाहर निकालें when you're breathing in, and when you exhale, push it in. Like inhale out, सांस अंदर तो पेट बाहर, और सांस बाहर तो पेट अंदर. Exactly, because you have forgotten how to breathe. This is the first thing Allah have given you, how to filter your body through your lungs. Inhale, inhale and exhale. All of you breathe. Inhale and feel your tummy coming out. You just learn with a cushion, right? आप लोग भी घर में cushion रख के करिएगा, ठीक है? Then you will learn. Okay, now close your eyes and take a long deep breath in. Hold your breath. 1, 2, eyes closed. 3, 4, 5, and now breathe out. Again, inhale. Longer, deeper breath. Hold your breath. Let's see who can hold longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now keep your eyes closed. If you will open your eyes, you'll become statue. So close your eyes and see who can close your eyes. Okay, it's a competition who can keep your eyes closed for longer time, right? Okay, inhale. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale. Eyes closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can open your eyes. Sir, ghuma. Because you have so much restlessness in your body. Why we get tired? Because we don't breathe properly. That's why we get tired. Because your body is not making you tired. Only your mind is making you tired. Why? Because we are never living in this moment. Either we're thinking, what happened in the morning? What I'm going to eat tomorrow? See? That's what you think? Oh my God, so much homework. My mommy